सुपर हीरो कोई ऐसे ही नहीं बन जाता, उसके लिए चाहिए सुपर हीरो जैसी बॉडी, सुपर हीरो जैसी डांस मूव्स और सुपर हीरो जैसा हार्ट. So we have with us here a flying jet, Tiger Shroff. Hi.
Hi. Hey guys, how are you? Hello. Hello. Hi.
So हमें लगता था कि सुपर हीरोज बहुत लकी होते हैं because they get the best girls. But today we are here for the launch of the official merchandise of a flying jet. So what do you mean? It's very cool that a superhero we have an entire range of and for Tiger Shroff. So how does this feel?
It's a huge honor. बचपन से मुझे एक सुपर हीरो बनना था and I used to always have these Spider-Man figures growing up. और आखिर I have, you know, a figure of my own, a flying jet, so it's an honor.
Thank you. Remo, we have you here. We are so excited. Can you tell us something about, you know, why making this character Flying Jet? When you were thinking of doing this?
My God. Actually इसीलिए बनाया है पिक्चर मैंने, इन्हीं के लिए बनाया है. यही वजह है क्योंकि फ्लाइंग जेट यहाँ पे. So I'm very happy. I think we should just.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, we're very excited. We have the official merchandise of Flying Jet. The entire range is here. Remo and Tiger, may I kindly request you to please unveil the range for us. Are we guys excited?
Are you ready?
Tiger, which is your favorite product from this entire range? Okay, so we can see two different here. We can see a flying jet and we can see Raka, the supervillain. And we all know that Nathan Jones, aka Raka, is there. So Remo, may I request you to please tell us something about this?
That's the nature man. This is the pollution man, basically. And of course, flying jet gets power from nature, and this guy gets power from pollution. So yeah.
So it's nature versus pollution, man.
Yes.
And Tiger, what do you think of the entire range? We have so many products in the merchandise. What do you think of this?
I think it's lovely. I think we've covered just about everything from t-shirts to cups to pillows and lovely designs. So whoever made these, thank you so much. And you know, I'm going to use this for my car. And I'm going to sleep with my flying jet pillow now. So I'm very happy. I love you. I love you.
Remo, sir, what do you have to say about this entire range?
I am so excited about after seeing all this. I think it's amazing and very happy that they've made all this. I want all this.
I think all of us here want each and every product from this range. Well, the merchandise has been a collaborative effort of Brand Monk, who's code Wowheads, Utpatang and Ginger Crush. With a huge range of products from electronic to back to school to apparels, figurines and comic books created by TBS Planet. This merchandise will be available on Amazon, Flipkart, Ginger Crush, Utpatang.com and other retailing portals. I would now like to invite the licensee of Ginger Crush, Mansha Sood, also Imaipreet from Wowheads and Mr. Rajiv Tamankar from TBS Planet. So kids, tell me one thing. A superhero is incomplete without what? Superpowers. Right. So all of you now can experience the superpowers. And how can you do that? With the official of Flying Jut game. Woohoo! And let me tell you one thing, that this game is developed by Hungama Games. Mr. Rajiv Tamankar from TBS Planet. Can we have him? So let's talk about the official Flying Jut game, and for this may I invite on stage Mr. Siddharth Roy, CEO from Hungama. Could you please tell us something more about this game?
I mean, it's all about superheroes. We've got the superhero here. We've got the superhero director here. Hungama has been very excited and proud to bring the Flying Jut game to consumers. It's a first of its kind game for India, where we've actually done a multiplayer game. So technically, Tiger and Remo both can play against each other in the game. It's what we called an endless game, where the game never finishes. You can continue to play and get superpowers, get what they've done in the game in terms of the superheroes. We've been able to get some of those stories into the game as well. Without further ado, I'd like both Tiger and Remo to unveil the game, and we can play the trailer for the game.
So ladies and gentlemen, kids, let's get your attention right here for the official game of A Flying Jut. Let's take a look at the trailer. Okay. Here he is, A Flying Jut, okay? So you can also say Flying Jut when you're cheering him on. Also now, I want all your attention right here, because we have an exclusive poster that we're going to launch for you, unveil to you. So may I kindly request Remo, Tiger. game here. We've just launched it for all of you. Let's get them to play, okay? So kids, should we ask Tiger to play it first? Yes? Well, this is an absolutely fun multiplayer game and it's available in the Google Play Store, also on Tata Sky and Airtel DTH. Now what we're going to do is we are going to invite Mr. Rohan Bansali, the mayor of Kidzania, Mumbai! Let's welcome him! Okay, I've been wanting to do this. To Mr. Bansali. Kai. That's the greeting of Kidzania. And sir, maybe can I request you to say a few words?
Well, what can I say? Kidzania Mumbai is super excited to have Tiger Shroff and Remo Fernandez here for the promotion of Remo D'Souza, I stand corrected. So thank you for coming here so much and blessing Kidzania Mumbai. Obviously, this is a place where we have huge number of kids and
Kidzania. They're on duty right now. So they're going to open the Q&A session. Here they go. They're on duty.
Kaisa, who is your favorite superhero while growing up?
My favorite superhero was Spider-Man. So yeah. I'm coming, okay, afterwards. आ रहा हूँ, इसके बाद, okay?
Kaisa,
Hi,
sir,
Baba.
which is your favorite song in the movie?
Oh, that's a tough question. All the songs are so nice, no? Which is your favorite song?
Mine is your, that Baghi's, Let's Talk About Love.
Flying Jet ka?
Flying Jet, I have not heard the song.
Oh, you not heard? So here and then you choose, okay? The best songs are in Flying Jet.
Kaisa, which is your favorite stunt in Flying Jet movie?
My favorite stunt?
Yes.
Oh, my favorite stunt is it the last fight scene?
Can you show
Okay.
us?
Can I show you? Okay, this one's for all of you, okay? But if I fall, don't laugh. I don't have powers right now.
Media to ask their questions, please. Kids, can we pass on the mic to them, please? Kids, can we have the mic going up? One more question, sure.
Remo sir, how did you got the idea of the movie?
Sorry?
How did you got the idea of the movie?
I always wanted to make a very funny superhero. I always wanted to make a funny superhero. So that's why this idea was long back in my mind, yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck for the movie.
Sir.
टाइगर और रेमो दोनों से आप दोनों से सवाल है कि सुपर हीरो जो फ्रेंचाइज होती है वो खासकर बच्चों को भी ध्यान में रखकर बनाई जाती है वर्ल्ड ओवर, जहां भी फिल्में बनती है, हॉलीवुड में, वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में, इंडिया में। तो आज आप लोग बच्चों के बीच में हैं और फ्लाइंग जेट भी जो चाइल्ड ऑडियंस है उन्हें कैच करने की कोशिश है। तो आज बच्चों के बीच आप दोनों को कैसा लग रहा है?
इन्हीं के लिए बनाई है पिक्चर और इनका एक्साइटमेंट देख के और अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ ये लोग खुश हैं। तो जब ये फिल्म देखेंगे तो और ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा कि यार जिनके लिए बनाई है उन लोग खुश हो जाए, बस काफ़ी है हमारे लिए।
टाइगर, आप क्या कहेंगे?
मैं कुछ सुना ही नहीं सर, आई एम सो सॉरी।
टाइगर, मेरा ये कहना है कि जो सुपर हीरो फ्रेंचाइज होती है वो बच्चों को ध्यान में रखकर वर्ल्ड ओवर बनाई जाती है। हॉलीवुड की फिल्में हो, सारी सुपर हीरो फिल्म बच्चों को बहुत पसंद आती है। क्या उम्मीद है आपको फ्लाइंग जेट बच्चों को कितनी पसंद आएगी? और आज आप बच्चों के बीच में हैं तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Who's seen the trailer over here? You guys like Flying Jet trailer? Will you guys watch the film? I think they're very happy, sir. उम्मीद है कि सारे बच्चों को पसंद आने वाले। रेमो सर के जितने भी फिल्मों हैं वो सारे बच्चे लोग के लिए बनाते हैं और आई थिंक इट्स अ फैमिली फिल्म, इट्स अ फिल्म फॉर एवरीबॉडी, खासकर बच्चों के लिए। और मैं बस ये कहना चाहूँगा कि there's lots of action, lots of stunts in this film. I don't want any of you kids to try this alone, ठीक है? Always practice in where there's safety and with supervision, ठीक है? खुद से कभी ट्राई मत करना, ठीक है?
रेमो, एक सवाल और, क्या अगर ये फिल्म बहुत चल जाएगी तो क्या आप लोग इसको एक फ्रेंचाइज के तौर पर सामने लाओगे? आगे भी कोई प्लानिंग है कि सेकंड सीरीज, थर्ड सीरीज बनाए इसकी?
हाँ, बस जितना प्यार मिलेगा उतना ही हम वापस देने की कोशिश करेंगे। अगर अच्छा लगा तो जरूर इसका सीक्वल बनेगा।
रेमो, हेलो रेमो, इस गेम में जैकलिन नहीं है
ना? गेम में जैकलिन आपने देखा नहीं है? वो भी है।
ओके।
हाय रेमो, माय क्वेश्चन इज टू यू। आपको बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है सारे बच्चों से यहाँ पर और किड्जानिया से शाहरुख खान भी हमेशा से जुड़े हुए हैं जी। तो आज एलए में उन्हें एयरपोर्ट पर चेकिंग के वक्त रोका गया, तो उसके ऊपर आपका क्या रिएक्शन है कि बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज को हमेशा ऐसे रोका जाता है और शाहरुख खान के साथ ये दोबारा हुआ है, तो आपका क्या रिएक्शन है?
पता नहीं, मैं शायद प्रमोशन में बहुत बिजी हूँ तो ये न्यूज़ अभी आप दे रहे हैं मुझे, तो कुछ आइडिया नहीं है मेरे को। बट
टाइगर, योर रिएक्शन टू इट?
सॉरी, आई डिडंट हियर यू मैम, मैं सुना नहीं।
You are receiving lots of love over here.
आप लोगों को जनरली जो हमारे सितारे हैं उन्हें बहुत प्यार मिलता है सभी से। यहाँ पे भी आप लोगों को बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है, लेकिन शाहरुख खान को यूएस में एयरपोर्ट पे बहुत डिटेन किया गया है। उन्हें हर बार, पहले 2012 में उनके साथ ऐसा हो चुका है, एयरपोर्ट पे उन्हें काफ़ी रोका जाता है। वो बॉलीवुड के सुपरस्टार है, तो क्या कहना है आपका, क्या रिएक्शन है? क्योंकि हर बार उनके साथ यही चीज़ हो रही है। सो व्हाट इज योर रिएक्शन ऑन इट?
मैम, I couldn't hear you properly. I'm sorry, it's just so loud.
शाहरुख खान को डिटेन किया अमेरिका में, 2 बार पहले भी डिटेन कर चुके हैं। सो डिटेन किया लॉस एंजलिस में एयरपोर्ट पे। सो ही ट्वीटेड अबाउट दैट एंड उनके साथ बार-बार ऐसा होता है।
I don't know how to react on that, ma'am. पता नहीं, मुझे भी detain करते बार-बार. You know, when I'm not allowed to take more than certain amount of liquid in my bag, so they take it back from me. So even I get detained, and again I have to come back. तो हो सकता है सबके साथ होता है, ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ शाहरुख सर के साथ होता है, सबके साथ होता है, ऐसे कुछ नहीं.
टाइगर दो घंटा उनको एयरपोर्ट पे वेट करना पड़ा था. तो
Members of the media, I know कि हमारे पास बहुत सारे questions हैं, लेकिन today we are very excited because we are here for the merchandise and game launch official of a Flying Judge. So let's keep our questions to this. We're going to take about another 3 questions. Yeah, let's have the next question, please.
Okay, the question it's from the kids actually. ये बच्चों की तरफ से question है. टाइगर, तुम रोज क्या खाते हो, किस तरह से एक्सरसाइज करते हो, and how much you practice every day?
Well, time to time, so mic check. टाइम पे सोता हूँ मैं, टाइम पे खाता हूँ, और हफ्ते में एक खाता हूँ. आइसक्रीम से मुझे सुपर पावर्स मिलती है. So after eating ice cream I get strong, but only once a week. Otherwise you have to have your green vegetables and you have to have a balanced diet. That's all.
टाइगर सेंटर, अपना बचपना कितना याद आया यहाँ सारे बच्चों के बीच रहकर?
मैम, मेरा बचपन थोड़ा अलग था. हाँ, मैं स्पोर्ट्स पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देता था. यू नो, आई वाजंट इंटरेस्टेड इन वीडियो गेम्स. फुटबॉल खेलता था, रनिंग करता था मैं, और मार्शल आर्ट्स करता था. तो ऐसे ग्रुप में हम, बड़े बड़े ग्रुप में हम कंपटीशन करते थे एक दूसरे के साथ. तो हाँ, आई एम रिमेम्बरिंग स्लाइडली.
You are receiving lots of love. Did you expect such kind of response from the kids?
मैम, शुरू से किस्मत अच्छी है मेरी बच्चों को लेकर. हीरोपंती से, you know, I've been very lucky to have the kids, and now hopefully after Flying Jut, you know, this is a film for them really. We've really made this film keeping them in mind, and I think
wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you. How many of you ever call Tiger Shroff and talk to him? Okay, note down the number very quickly. Note down his number. I'm giving you his number. This has never happened before. Note it down. His number is 9699888867. Okay, call and you can speak to him also on FB Messenger on Balaji Motion Pictures Facebook page. You can actually speak to him on Messenger. Note down the number. Remember it. Ask your parents to write it down. You can speak to him himself. Thank you so much, Tiger. Tiger, we definitely want you to say something to all these kids before you go. Also, Remo, sir. Sabse pehle, thank you so much, everybody, for all your love, guys. This film, Remo, sir, has made especially for all of you. Okay? So you have to watch this film. And I just want to say there's a superhero within each one of you. ठीक है? And I don't think you're listening to me. But I love you.